Are you ready for today?
I am, but you are not.
I know, we're a little bit late, but we're good. So we're going to Tema Community 25.
All right.
So hopefully there's not too much traffic. We'll get there. So we're about to see a massive estate, and we're going to do a tour of one
It's an
house.
estate. So how far are they in construction?
We're going to find out.
Oh, you don't know?
No, I think there's one built, like a show house, and then the others are in progress.
Oh, so it's one.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's good then. So who do you think is gonna wanna like see these houses?
So I actually think these houses are going to be great for people that kind of looking for something a little bit more affordable. I feel like a lot of people have been asking me to find houses for them in Tema, because some people don't want to be right in Accra because it's a little bit busy.
Really? People have requested Tema.
I'm telling you, yeah.
That seems weird, but I guess it's realistic. Price-wise as well, right?
Exactly.
So how far out is Tema?
It will probably take us about 45 minutes.
Is that with traffic?
No, without traffic at the moment.
Okay, then that's not bad.
Yeah. So the time we're leaving right now is a good time to go.
All right.
Because we shouldn't get stuck. So I think we should start going.
Yeah, I would love to start going. I mean, I would love to. All right, let's go. Let's get up
and go.
Back in the car.
This is the Greens.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah, it's a really huge development, right?
I actually didn't expect like it to be so developed.
Yeah, I know.
It was gonna be.
Even me as well, like I didn't expect it to be this developed. Like I know that there was like a show home that we were gonna be able to tour today, but I didn't know it was gonna be as built up as this.
Yeah.
Which is a really nice surprise, right?
It's really nice, yeah. It's quiet too.
I know, it is.
Yeah.
It is, it's really, really nice.
So is this the house?
This is the one. So this is the show house.
All right,
I guess we should just head in.
So how many bedrooms is this one?
So this is 3 bedrooms. Okay. Yeah, this is 3 bedrooms. So the 3 bedrooms are upstairs, and we have all the living room and stuff downstairs. There's a guest washroom downstairs as well. So it's really nice.
It's actually cute from the outside though.
It is actually, isn't it?
Yeah, they gave us some dimension with the red, the gray.
Yeah.
And I like the glass,
the balustrades.
Balustrades. Wow.
I know, like, you know.
It's a huge word.
I know. The more these videos are doing, I'm picking up these like really posh words, you know?
Yeah. Oh, haven't you always been posh?
No, not all. Oh, no, sometimes. Depends, only on a Tuesday. Okay.
So this is the garage, not garage.
No, this is the car park area. I reckon you could probably fit about 2 cars here.
Yeah, it's pretty long.
Yeah, so I kind of like this, that you get to cut off, you know, and close this. So although you're in a whole community area, you still have your kind of semi-privacy, which I like. Because over here as well, you can see where they planted the plants. So
So if you want to be out here, it's still private.
Yeah.
If your kids are playing, maybe you don't want them in the street.
Right.
They're playing like in the section.
Exactly.
Let me see how hard this is to pull.
Okay. See, it's easy.
Yeah, I love that. Like,
yeah.
These big, huge, heavy gates, and like you can't move it.
I've had it for even my own gate at home. I'm like,
exactly.
You know,
so
but this one's smooth.
It's user friendly. I like that. And there's a little garden greenery area.
Yeah.
Porch. You can put like a chair and a table out here. Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, and that is the main entrance.
Yeah, so this is the walk-in gate. So if you just want to walk in without a car, you just use that side.
Yeah. We're in.
This is a nice big door, right?
I love it. I love like doors.
Big doors have this kind of grandness about them.
Yeah, they do.
You know, it makes the house feel that
definitely
much more.
adds to it. I love how tall it is. It's a huge door. Yeah.
It's nice.
Here we are, all alone in this house. It's cute.
Okay, so this is the living space.
I like what they've done.
Yeah.
I like the neutral colors. I love this tile. I love glossy tile.
Do you?
Like glossy? I do.
I do to an extent. Well, this one's to my taste.
It's classy.
This is fine. This is
it.
classy. Yeah, this is classy.
Okay, the decor is nice.
Yes.
Like what they've done. Move and ready.
This is nice. I love this seating area, and I love the way it's been set up. It's kind of nice for a family. And what I also love, right? I love the 2 chairs that are different.
Yeah.
Because it just brings a little bit extra. So you didn't notice, did you?
Wow, I didn't notice this.
It's the little
How
things.
observant of you.
I know, it's the little things, you see? See, so that's nice. And this is really beautiful. Don't you love this?
Oh yeah, really cute.
Really, really nice. Okay, so this is the living space. Okay, this is a nice kind of area, right?
Yeah,
nice
love
and
what
fancy.
they've done. I guess there would be a TV here.
Yeah,
Right.
exactly.
All right.
So it makes it nice and framed.
Yeah. So what do they say? That this is the model house and everything in the house comes with it.
With it. So
If you
whoever
buy
buys
this
this house
you
gets
get
all this
all
stuff.
the furniture, all the stuff. Yeah. I mean, you'd have to bring your own TV.
Yeah, no, but I think that's pretty fun.
I'm actually gonna have to like get this plant.
Okay.
It is so luxurious.
I'll just watch you from here. I'm watching you from here. Go ahead. Check out the plant. Sorry, the chair just.
Okay, you know what? You're making this weird. All right, let's go.
So I actually like the fact that you can kind of see outside. So although they've draped the curtain here, right?
Why didn't you say
quite
anything?
nice because it brings light into the whole space. So
yes. And yeah, you can obviously
Step
use this
outside.
space outside as well, right?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's cute.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that was nice and easy to open, right?
Yeah. Nice and easy to open, right? Isn't that important? Okay, obviously you have your AC units as well, which is great.
So I think it's probably important to say that if you buy a house that's not this one, it doesn't come with the actual AC. It comes with the provision to put in your own AC.
So wait, you don't have to do it yourself though. The builders will put it in.
Yeah, the builders will put it all in.
So you choose.
So you pick whatever AC unit you want to have.
And they'll put it in?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So this side here, so we have a guest washroom here.
Okay,
So that's nice and handy, right? When you have your visitors over, they just pop straight in here.
Perfect size.
They don't even have to go upstairs.
Yep, gets the job done. I like the floating vanity though.
Yeah, it's kind of cute, isn't it?
It's cute.
It's
you know what? Just
cute.
stop copying me. Oh my goodness.
She wants to be my twin. I've always wanted a twin, so you're welcome. So right next to the guest washroom is the kitchen.
Okay, cool. I like it.
Nice and cozy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It gets the job done.
Yeah.
Okay.
So from here you can also see outside. So for someone like me, I like to see something sometimes when I'm outside. I look through the window.
You're washing dishes.
Yeah, you know. So that's quite nice to be able to see what's happening, spy your neighbours.
Right.
You can do that, you know. That's quite cool.
Okay.
And then in front here we have an area for storage as well, which is really nice.
Okay.
So we get to you can put your fridge in there or your deep freezer and kind of utilize the space, you know.
It'll probably even be a second kitchen, it looks like. Because there's plumbing.
Yes.
There's plumbing and wiring for like bigger.
Right.
So maybe you'll put another stove here or a fridge or an extra freezer. Yeah.
Exactly. Just make do with what you want. Space.
Cute.
Yeah. So should we head upstairs? I always love to see what bedrooms are like.
So these stairs are right in front of the door.
I actually think it's quite nice because you see how they put the plant here. When you open the door, it's actually really nice and
It's like a nice
welcoming.
little feature.
Yeah. It's lovely.
The windows are also amazing. I love big windows that let in a lot of light.
Yep.
And this is actually really nice. They didn't cheap out here.
No.
You know, they could have put those metal like standard railings.
Yes.
But this glass feature.
I always mention glass. I love the fact that the balustrades are made with glass because it just
The
keeps
balustrades.
Yes, because
They're
it keeps
called
the space.
railings.
Okay, balustrades, railings. You guys know what I'm saying, right? Okay, so as we get up to the landing space, this is where all the bedrooms are.
Yeah. Okay. So
this is a decent sized landing space, right?
it is. I don't see why people have huge ones. I mean, it's just to get to the room.
Yes, because when it's too big, then it becomes an awkward space. Like, is this a living space?
Exactly.
Or is this a...
And it takes away from the rooms.
Right, exactly. So this is a perfect size, yeah? So, should we check out this room
Okay, yeah,
first?
go ahead. Okay, so this is the first first bedroom.
Yes, it's the first bedroom.
The ensuite washer.
Exactly. So you can see it's quite nicely done, tastefully done. Again, very nice and neutral. We have our shower, your wash basin, all of that. So that's really nice.
Nice.
See? It's comfortable. Do yourself in the mirror here.
Thanks. Is that how mirror works?
That's how it works.
I have a water heater, which is
Yes,
great.
so you get hot water when you shower.
Yeah.
I don't shower with cold water.
Really?
I can't.
Well, neither do I.
Okay, so this is a moderately sized room, right? So obviously we have enough space for a good sized double bed. We have a wardrobe in here too. Again, nice big window.
Beautiful windows. You can check
Yeah.
outside. Oh, I love it.
Do you know, I actually really like these kind of see-through
Curtains?
curtains.
Yeah,
they're
I
really,
do.
really nice. So that you still get some element of light coming in without it being too much.
It actually has two
And
windows.
it still does its thing. Yes, it has two windows. Which means as well that when
We're
you
being
open
spoiled.
I know.
Look.
So when you open it, you get crosswind.
Yeah.
Which is great.
It's gonna be a lot of light. And then obviously wardrobes, which come with the unit. Nice and big, functional,
Yeah.
sturdy.
Does the job.
Yeah, I like them. Oh my God.
Using too much strength, girl. So let's check out the second bedroom, right?
Room right across the hall. Okay, perfect.
Right here. We don't even have to go too far.
So it's the same setup. The washroom is right in front of the door. Pretty much the same thing.
Yes,
it's
it
like
is.
identical.
Yeah.
Water heater, sink, toilet. You know the usuals.
Yes, exactly.
And then the
I like this though. This is kind of cute, right? This,
Oh yeah, that is cute.
this thing where you keep your towels and stuff.
How biased? They only put it in this room and not the other.
Same. You have to take this room.
It's about to cause a fight.
So this one, we have two single beds in here, which is a slightly different setup to the other ones. I guess
but
this
it
is great
works
for children.
Like it's possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is nice. Again, we have a
let me
really
sit
nice
on
big
the bed.
wardrobe as well.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm sitting on the bed so I can feel
I'm gonna
like
match you. I'm gonna sit on the bed as well.
Excellent.
See?
Match my energy.
So this is kind of like almost two wardrobes together, right? So I guess two people.
I think it was the same
It is.
in the other washroom, in the other room. Two wardrobes.
Oh, was it? I didn't notice actually. I kind of just assumed it was one, but yeah, two.
Ah.
So this is cool. This is nice and comfy in
Gets
here.
the job done. Two windows again. That's very generous.
Yeah, very nice. So I'm looking forward to showing you the primary.
Okay, the washroom. All right, standard stuff. Toilet, sink, water heater.
Similar setup,
Yeah,
right?
similar setup. All right, it'll do.
Okay.
It'll do.
Okay, so this is nice. This is,
Yeah.
I really like this design. This is beautiful. I want this in my
It's a little work area. You know, you can put a little laptop. You know, so
little
that's
study
good.
area, that's nice.
Yeah.
But this is definitely a bigger room, right? We can see the difference.
Yeah, it has three. It has five.
5 doors.
1, 2, 3,
So-
4, 5. Okay. So
So-
yeah, definitely more than enough room for all your clothes, shoes.
Yes.
You can even store some stuff on the very, very
Yes,
top.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
your bags and stuff you don't use every day.
Exactly.
Yeah, lots of shopping space, so it's good.
Yeah. Did you say shoving space?
Shopping space. and the room has enough room if you want to put like a dresser drawer, like a high dresser drawer. It'd be good.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the bed is quite nice as well, and I love this featured wallpaper here. This is nice.
I
So this
really
is actually textured.
do. I really like it.
It's nice, isn't it?
Is it textured or is it?
It is. It's textured.
Oh
Really.
wow.
So it kind of brings a little character to the room, which is nice. Yeah.
I would do it, but I'm not brave enough.
And this one we have really nice balcony space,
Oh wow, let's go out here.
which is cool.
Let's get out here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
See.
I really like
So
it.
this is nice, right? So when you invite me over for tea, we can like sit out here.
Who's
we can
inviting
chat.
you over, honey?
This is nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
So you get to kind of overlook everything that's happening
It'd be
here.
really nice to have like a cup of coffee up here.
Yeah.
Or tea.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Really,
This
really
is
cute.
nice. Isn't she so good? She's closing doors behind us and everything.
Yes, I have what they
fun.
call brought up sea.
Okay. We have what?
Brought up sea. It's a Jamaican word for brought up sea.
Ah, okay. Brought up.
Bringing upness.
Right. Okay. I'll have to remember that.
You,
I'll have
you
to remember
gotta,
that.
fit it into your vocab, girl.
Okay. I'll add it. I'll add it. It's there. It's there.
Okay.
Okay, is this it?
Okay, so we've arrived. This is the house help quarters. So I do like how it's on the outside of the house. Like it's on the back.
Yes.
So you have to access it from.
Exactly. So, it's kind of nice because if you're a person that's quite private and you don't want someone in your house all the time, they can kind of be here and have their own space.
Yeah.
And so I guess this is
the washroom.
The washroom.
It's actually a really nice washroom.
Yeah.
It's very quite sizable.
It actually is, isn't it?
Yeah. It's probably almost the same size as the actual boys' quarters.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's enough room to get the job done.
Exactly, exactly. It's a nice space. You can even use it as an office if you wanted to, right?
Yeah, you could.
Because if you want to work out from home and you don't want the children to disturb you, so you want to be at home but not at home.
Exactly.
You have this space.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want with it. So yeah, it works.
So, do you know how much this house is going for?
Oh, I don't know, 165.
No. You're close though. It's actually going for $174,000.
Okay, that's not bad.
That's actually not bad for what we're getting here, right?
Yeah, it isn't.
Exactly. But the good thing as well is that we actually have some entry-level houses, which is from $125,000.
Oh, okay then. So that's not bad.
Yeah, so that's a good price to kind of bring you into the community if you want that whole community feel, if you've got children and stuff. That's a really good price to kind of get you a foot in.
So how about the amenities that come in the community?
Okay, so we have access to a swimming pool.
Oh, nice.
Yes. A gym.
Okay, wow.
A restaurant.
A restaurant? Like on the premises?
Yep. A bar area.
Serious?
I'm telling you. And we also have a tennis court.
Okay, I thought you were going to say a shopping mall because no, but those are great amenities.
Yes.
A tennis court.
I know, that's pretty cool, right?
That's pretty bougie, girl. What you mean?
I know.
What you mean?
Exactly. So if you don't know how to play tennis, or even if you do, now's a great chance to kind of get in there and start learning, right? Start
playing. That. So you really do not have to leave the premises.
Absolutely, you don't.
Wow.
It's all here.
It's all here, eh?
Yeah.
That's really amazing because you know what, sometimes it's actually hard to find things to do.
Yes.
Especially for your kids.
Right.
Or like that teenage age.
Exactly.
So like being in a community with swimming pool, this, that, everything you need.
Exactly. And there's also 24-hour security, which means that you can let your children go out and play. You don't have to worry that, you know, someone can take them away or, you know.
Exactly. So you can go out and play, you can go and check on them every now and again. That's amazing. I love that.
So win-win.
Yeah.
So you guys, if you're interested in this property, I mean, everything you want is here. You can definitely send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and we'll put you in touch with the relevant people. Don't contact Michelle, don't check
No, don't contact me.
So just contact me.
I'll tell y'all.
And I'll put you in touch with the developers, the relevant people, and we can take it from there. Okay, so guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment, and share this video. Until next time, we are out.
See you guys. Nuti Papa.
Nuti Papa. We have to do this.
Oh God, Nuti Papa.
Nuti Papa.
Nuti Papa.